Hey babes, hey. Okay, so I recorded this video of me going into the Dollar Tree, and as I'm editing, I hated the whole first clip. So I was using a filter like I usually do sometimes. I don't know, I just love filters. Maybe just me, I don't know. But anyways, as I was starting the editing process, the whole first clip just threw me off, girl. So I literally just scrapped it, and I'm here on a whole another day looking a whole hot mess, editing the video so I can get it up for y'all. And I realized I just hate it. So anyways, I'm just inserting this. I just want to say, hey, welcome babes to a new video. Thank y'all so much for all the support that y'all have been giving. Our channel is not a new channel. I often say our new channel. It's not a new channel. Our channel and accepting our new name, which is Mine and Levette's Businesses. So thank y'all so much. I truly, truly appreciate y'all. Now let's get into this video. Enough is enough. Okay? Okay. Hit y'all like on the way in. So basically, we about to go into the Dollar Tree and see what they got, okay? Last year, I got stuff from the Dollar Tree, and I got stuff from Walmart, and I just left Walmart, okay? So your girl been working. I went to the post office. I shot a video in that parking lot. Ran on to Walmart, grabbed the stuff that I needed from there, and now I'm here at the Dollar Tree. So when I say I'm working, okay? Well, anyway, I don't have too much stuff to get in here, so we ain't gonna make this video long at all. Y'all probably ain't gonna see my face no more, or maybe y'all will. I don't know. But let's go ahead and get into it, okay? Okay. Okay, babes, as promised, we here, honey. We about to go in here, and we are about to see. Now to pull your shirt down in the back, baby. We're about to see what the Dollar Tree got. So let's get a cart. Oh man, I forgot my mask. No. Oh. If y'all need Christmas stuff, I ain't really got too much. What are these? I should do, they starting to bring out the Valentine's stuff. Maybe I should get a couple of these for some charm jars. I just want to know why they got one pink though and two reds. Makes no sense. But anyway, probably use these for some charm jars. Let's see if they have any around here. They're just bringing some stuff out. They do have these. So these must have been the rest of the ones from Christmas. They didn't have these at first, but now they got these. And these is what I usually use for my charm jars. So I'm gonna get these ones instead. Nana, pull them other ones out the cart. Pull them ones out. Here, I'm gonna use these ones. Two. Okay, so of course you need a good pen to do your vision board. Me personally, I like to use black markers. Oh, what is this? Y'all know I attract pink, so I'm gonna just get this just because it's pink. I don't usually use pencil, but it just look cute. So anyway, you do need a pen, and my main thing is markers. So I don't really do like the dry erase markers for mine. I like to use permanent markers because I don't want them to erase. So as you see, they got different color permanent markers. Now I got markers, like I said, I got stuff from here last year, and I still got some stuff from my vision board from last year. So I'm definitely not going to get anything else, but you definitely need markers for your vision board, okay? Okay, so this is not part of my vision board, but I just found some craft roll. And if y'all know, I do the skincare, and it's really important to cover like up your counters. Look how long this is. Let me just show y'all. So I'm gonna get a couple rolls of this because this would be good just to keep my area clean. Don't got nothing to do with vision boards, but hey, I'll invest a good $5 in that. Let's see what else. There's nothing over here that I would need for my vision board. I don't need no markers. I don't need any tape.
because I like to actually use glue. And that's what I did not see right over there. I didn't see any glue. Now, this is not for vision boards, but honey, if you're trying to get organized, you definitely can get you a dry erase board. Those are good to have. What is this? Oh, these are dope. These are like dry erase board calendars, agendas, so weekly planning. These are good. I've never seen this here before, but they look like they got different ones. Yeah, you can get that one. So like, this is cute to get you organized. I don't know. I think I'm gonna just get one. This one got pink on it, so well, I'm gonna get one that look like it's in better shape. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get this one just because being organized is definitely a part of my new year. What else do they got for vision boards? I mean, they got a lot of stationery. This is what I was saying. You could like use glue, or you can get you some glue sticks. I'm gonna just get me a pack of glue sticks. What else do they got? They got a lot of stationery stuff, but unfortunately I don't need them for my vision board because like I said, I got stuff already. Now these right here, I think everyone should have a pack of these. I got a pack of these already, but you should definitely have something like this to help you keep your planners and notebooks and stuff organized. Like I said, oh, you definitely need a pair of scissors to cut your stuff out. And most of all, oh, you need a board. Most of all, you need a board. Now, I got my board from Walmart because I didn't need nothing as big, but you can't beat this. 2 for $1, and it's a really nice size. I think I'm gonna just get one just in case. What if I mess up the other one? I don't know about y'all, but it looked like it just got pretty dark. Oh, I like to use these little, hold on. Let me put this in a cart. Okay, so back over here. I like to use these. I've been using these for the last couple years to get myself organized when I do my vision board. Well, not organized, but just to add a little something. So it comes with 15. And then these, I didn't get these before, but I think I'm gonna get 2 of these. These pill and stick letters, just to get creative. You can get stuff like this just to make it like extra cute. So I'm gonna get one of these. They actually have poster letters. Let's see. But they're 78 pieces, but they're all one color, so that's the only reason why I wouldn't get them. And that's why I would rather opt for this, because it's colorful. And actually these are magnets, so if you want to, you can use these. You would just have to glue them down. So I'm probably gonna put them back just because they're magnets, or I might just get them because my daughter might use them for the refrigerator or something. And then they have all kind of stickers and stuff like that that you could put on your vision board. I know last year I had got some letters from here, but I also like to write out a lot of my stuff. Oh, they have them again this year. So stuff like this you could use for your vision board to just help you write out or highlight some stuff. If you want to, these are for your planners, which to me is still part of vision. So I'm definitely gonna get this one. My planner actually came with one, but how cute is this? For $1, you can't beat it. Okay. So then up here, let's see what they have up here. I don't see any of this I can use. Now you can use glitter. To me, I don't. It gets a little messy. It just depends on how creative you're trying to get with your vision board. You can definitely use paint. I did get these pens right here before. They didn't do too much, so I'm not getting them. I don't want to do too much with my vision board. You could definitely paint and add, like I said, get creative as you want. I don't know if I'm adding paint. I think I'm gonna just stick to the markers And speaking of markers, here goes some permanent markers that would be great for your vision board. It has all the primary colors in here. But yeah, I mean, like I said, they got a lot of arts and crafts stuff. They didn't have everything. I know a lot of people be looking for these and they run out really quick at the Dollar Tree. So if you've been looking, honey, get to your nearest one. They got the guns back in stock. Like I said, got the markers, glitters, all type of stuff that you can use. So I'll show y'all what all my findings are at the end, either when I get back to the car or when I get to the house. Okay, and since I was walking past, they also have a lot of business essentials here. They have boxes, okay, bubble mailers. They have the bubble mailer envelopes. They have regular envelopes, like in different sizes, because everything just don't qualify to be in a regular size standard envelope, honey. You might have to upgrade your life, okay? They got protective wrap. They got packing paper, different size. These are the flexible mailers, so these are the ones that don't have the bubble wrap in the inside. But yeah, y'all get to your nearest. They got the tape. So yeah, if you haven't already, go ahead and check them out, baby. Okay, babe, so that is it. I don't know how I did in there. I won't know until I get to the editing process of the video. However, I feel like I got some really great finds, considering the fact been coming here for this is my 3rd year coming to the Dollar Tree to get stuff for my vision board. And I still have stuff left, so I didn't get a lot of stuff. Everything that y'all saw me put on the counter is exactly what I got, nothing different. I did get a pack of markers and a board from Walmart as well. I mean, you could just never have too much stuff, because whatever I don't use this year, I can have for next year, or I can change mine up as time goes on, because just being realistically, people visions do change. So yeah, I feel like I'm set for 2022 when it comes to vision. So I will be making that video for y'all really soon, and I'm gonna show y'all my last 2 vision boards that I did make, so stay tuned for that. If y'all are making vision boards this year, please let me know in the comments. I would love to know if you're making vision boards. Would this be your first year? Do you make them every year? Do you make them throughout the year? Do you make them after the new year? Because I don't feel like there's no specific time to make one. I like to end my new year, like my end of whatever the current year is, like going into the new year with my vision already prepared for myself. However, like I said, I know those things change. I don't always accomplish everything on my vision board, and that's okay, because I don't put that amount of stress. But I'd be extremely proud to go and look at what I did accomplish off that vision board, considering the fact I made it before the year even came in. So I'm super excited for this process. I hope you are too. If you are, like I said, let me know. If you enjoyed this video, also let me know in the comments. Make sure y'all like, share, comment, and subscribe. And that's it, babes. Until next time, until the next video. Peace.